God that Allah had warned them not to approach it and that Iblis was their sworn enemy. Adam stretched out his hand, picked one of the fruits and offered it to Eve. They both ate of the forbidden tree. Allah Almighty told us, so he, Satan, misled them with deception. Ch 7:22 分. Allah said, thus did Adam disobey his Lord so he went astray. Ch 20:121. According to the Old Testament, Eve was tempted by the serpent to eat of the forbidden tree. She, because of the words of the serpent, and fed Adam some of it. At that moment, their eyes were opened to the fact that they were naked, and they took the leaves of the fig tree to cover themselves.